I'm Saurabh. Now, I have completed my graduation in the year 2020 from MIT Alandi. After that, since last 1 year, I was with Almabet itself. I was doing this full stack development course, and now currently I'm working with Emeralds, that is an US based startup which is located in Hyderabad as a data scientist. First of all, pay after placement was the thing that actually found me interesting. And second thing was that usually 6 LPA is not what freshers can even expect also. Like not even freshers these days don't even expect more than 3.5 or 3. That is standard that what freshers get. But Alma Mater was taking that guarantee and the whole curriculum that was scheduled and that was designed. That what I found it like a perfect one because before that also I've gone through many other institutes, but everyone literally asked like you have to pay 60,000 first installment or the total fees of 2 lakhs and all. The curriculum with Alma Mater was fantastic. That's why I chose Alma Mater. I followed my self-paced learning itself, and whenever I used to get any doubts for the doubt resolution, I had the mentor available at the air meet in the evening, and even we had the discussion forums wherein students actually used to discuss everything related to the doubts and all. So everything was designed perfectly. Even the like total classes were good. The amount of knowledge that we gained here was like tremendous, I would say, because the professors that were actually taking the classes, they not only taught the theoretical concepts, but along with that, they were also focused more on how these things are actually practically implemented in the real world. So both the things we were covering side by side. I think the capstone projects only helped us to get into this domain and the jobs because the capstone projects that we covered were very good actually, and we were even constantly we were in touch with the people or even the previous students like how exactly we should do this. And even on the guided projects, the actual mentors used to discuss like this is how you should process for your capstone projects. That thing actually helped us a lot because like when I circulated my resume here and there, so that time like many of the recruiters actually showed the interest because of this the projects itself. Actually covered very good projects over here because it had a lot of industry insights, and this is how exactly the like projects in the industry also work. The complete pipeline is exactly taught here. So yeah, I think that has actually helped me a lot. Mentors were continuously in touch with us. We were actually having the good time. We learned a lot from the mentors that they taught, like how to convey the how to deliver your projects, how you should speak, how your approaches should be. There are some of the critical questions that are asked in the interviews. Overall, the journey of this whole time was very great, and the placement program was also like fantastic. Like we also got like many calls to like time to sit for the placements, and it was an overall great experience. Like to be honest, Alma Better has only transformed the life completely because usually after engineering, that was a simple job that everyone gets without any maybe like just an associate softwares and all. But this was the domain that I wanted, and like Alma Better has totally transformed the life because I could not find anything better than this place. Like not even the fees, everything is after like placement programs and the curriculum whole scheduled, so everything was perfect. So it has like completely transformed the life. Like I have never thought like as a fresher I would get into this domain. The projects that we have done and the preparation that we like, the preparation was fantastic, and it all credit goes to Alma Mater itself.